Hey, stop! Come here. Listen to this. Most of the oxygen you're breathing does not come from forests. Wait, what? We're taught trees are the planet's lungs, and that feels obvious, right? But most of Earth's oxygen comes from something microscopic floating in the ocean. These tiny organisms, called phytoplankton, produce over half of the oxygen on the entire planet, more than all the world's forests combined. They photosynthesize just like plants, but there are trillions of them working non-stop across the seas. So every breath you take, thank the ocean, not the forest.